how to request a demo. After visiting our website, renderjewellery.com, click on Request a Demo. Fill the demo request form and submit. After submitting your contact details, you'll receive a verification email. Open it to access your password and OTP. Copy OTP from email and verify. Copy password from email and login. Welcome to Dashboard. My subscription. You can see your past and existing subscriptions here, and in current subscription you can active your plan from here. My transaction. You can see your all transactions here. Pricing table. Now ready to render your file.